Today, look what we have received. So this is a package from Cannablithe Development LLP. So this is a brand name Cannablithe, which provides CBD oils and different kinds of cannabis products. So it has opened. The first thing is the cannabis soothing oil. You can see the quality of the packaging is like wow. So do check it out. Everything is in the link description below. And we have the soothing oil again. So there is another pack of it. So I'll be posting this, and there will be a competition probably. This is the Cannablithe herbal mixture. Check this out. This is like the latest product which they have, and this has come recently. You should try it out. I personally would try it and give you my suggestions and my replies on it too, and personally will make another video on this too. So just have a look at it, and wow, the herbal mix is gonna be fun. And check this out. Wow, the packaging is amazing. Like I would totally buy it again. I don't know, it's not opening. Wait, let's see what's inside. Whoa, the packaging is quite amazing. Check this out. So this is the full box. Let's open this. What we have inside this. This is the herbal mixture which we have. Yeah. I'll try all these. Let's open the. Before, I'll just set this out. So these are the two CBD oils which we have. Look at this, the packaging is amazing. So if you want to have a closer look, check this out. So they have full spectrum oil which is potent and pure. This is like 15% cannabis leaf extract and 85% MCT oil, and you should totally buy it, although these are all available with prescriptions. 100% natural, manage pain, better sleep cycle, improves digestion, reduces inflammation, and for oral use only. Do not apply it, just have to say 2-3 drops of it and you will enjoy it. What is the next one? So the next one is the vanilla flavor. So this one was the natural flavor. So they have 2 to 3 flavors. There's one mint flavor also which you can get, and I guess there's one more. I'm not able to remember the name, but there's one more flavor I guess. So this is the vanilla flavor. "100% natural, for oral use only, Ayurvedic proprietary medicine, GMP certified, Ayush certified." You see, it's a proper medicine which you can get. So if anybody is wondering where to get all these, you can check all these on our website. And I think I'm gonna suggest and try and test and open everyone personally once everything is done. So let's wait for that. In general, we got vanilla flavor Cannablithe CBD oil. We got natural flavor CBD oil. We got the herbal mixture. We have got another packet of herbal mixture, which is like the top shelf blend of Ayurvedic herbs. You should open it. You should try it too. I'll open it in the next time. In the next video. And this is 50 grams. That one was around 10-20 grams.
If you like the video, subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at thc.theherbculture. We would love to know how we can improve our videos. So give a feedback in the comment section below.